start na ng May.
Oh, bakit excited kayo?
May this month be full of good vibes at tawanan.
Aray ko!
Na may halong adventures at thrill.
Ano? Marami kasi sinasabi, wala ka rin palang binatbat!
May time for self-care and less stress.
Oras na!
Oh, ang size to!
At syempre, may love.
Maganda ba ito?
Ngayong month of May your days be filled with joy. At sisiguraduhin naming mangyayari ito with our classic Pinoy movies na laging nagpapasaya at laging nag-entertain come what may. Kaya tara na sa TV dahil may exciting surprise kami for you dito sa Takilya Throwback. Every day dito lang sa iHeart Movies. Experience all the feels.